Hey adventurers, are you ready to take your camping game to the next level? I've got some awesome new gadgets that are going to make your next trip way more fun. Well, get ready, because in today's video we're counting down the latest must-have camping gadgets and genius gear that will revolutionize your wilderness experience. Let's dive in and transform your next outdoor adventure. Tired of the hassle and hazard of starting a fire just to boil water? Meet the WATERWARMER hands-free water heating wonder that uses water electrolysis technology to heat up to a gallon of water in just 2 short minutes. Simply submerge the water warmer in your water container, double-click the power button, and select your ideal temperature, anywhere from lukewarm to piping 176 Fahrenheit. The built-in battery provides for up to 10 uses per full charge. Best of all, its electrode ion process efficiently converts water molecules only. No need for dangerous flames. That makes WATERWARMER a safer, simpler way to enjoy a hot drink, bath, or meal no matter how deep into the wilderness you roam. Why fumble with batteries when adventure calls? Meet your new favorite light, PAL. Rugged, versatile PAL outshines the competition with always-ready power and brightness that pairs perfectly with accessories. Crank out 350 lumens in spot or flood configurations from its dedicated easy-access buttons. Water-resistant and built to survive life's bumps and bangs, PAL handles family camping as adeptly as extreme backcountry treks thanks to its modular plug-and-play accessories. Stake your tent, string a shelter, or simply find your way hands-free. However you adventure, PAL brings the power and versatility for limitless possibilities. Should disaster strike on your outdoor excursion, quickly orient yourself back toward civilization with VSSL's premium Sunto compass. Safely encased within a transparent end cap, find sightlines to known landmarks, and cautiously navigate your group to safety. Note that this compass performs most accurately when kept flat and away from metal objects. VSSL's compass. Navigation allows trained navigators an emergency backup for staying on course when unexpected situations arise far from base camp. Use responsibly alongside other survival essentials. Illuminate night fishing spots without spooking your catch. Navigate unfamiliar terrain discreetly, or simply find your tent in the dark with the clever Pathfinder UL Scout headlamp. Its powerful Cree LED adjusts from 2 up to 365 lumens, broadcasting in convenient hands. Free white light for 193 hours per charge. Additionally, toggle between green or red modes to protect night vision or avoid startling wildlife. The versatile Velcro strap attaches securely to helmets and packs to share illumination. Fully waterproof and USB rechargeable, the ultralight Pathfinder UL Scout sheds light anywhere adventure takes you after dusk. When overgrown limbs demand attention but ladders seem inadequate, unleash the extension power of Hooyman's sturdy tree saw. The impulse-hardened 13-inch steel saw bites deeply into wood, while the high-carbon steel offers long-lasting durability through the thickest branches. Grip the secure no-slip handle tight as the saw stretches a full 60 inches with the easy-to-engage lever lock. Safely take control of tall tree trimming tasks without risky climbing. And after debris falls, neatly pull in smaller branches within range using the helpful hooked ends. Hooyman's tree saw brings full command over nature's untamed elements right within easy reach. Stop struggling with shoveling and clear walkways and driveways with ease using Snojo's innovative Shovelution. Its spring-loaded handle acts as a catapult using leverage to reduce lifting effort up to 30%. Combined with a wear-resistant 18-inch blade, the ergonomic Shovelution helps remove heavy wet snow without back strain. Your gloved hands remain comfy, holding the stick-free durable handle as you walk snow right off the shovel into neat piles. Bid sore shoulders goodbye and say hello to faster, simpler snow removal this winter with the Snojo Shovelution. Ditch cumbersome poles without sacrificing interior space in the Panda Air. An inflatable crossover combining a pop tent's convenient setup with a canvas cabin's cozy dimensions. The sturdy cotton exterior withstands rain and weather, while excellent ventilation keeps air circulating through doors and no-seam netting. Gather the gang inside with room for queen beds plus gear storage thanks to near-vertical walls. Install a stovepipe through the insulated stove hole to warm the spacious interior on chillier nights. When your adventure ends, the Panda Air packs small for travels to the next scenic campsite or family gathering. Multitask like a minimalist with the cleverly compact ECOeshiner solar table. The bold fusion of portable power station plus packable furniture for positive peasants. Unfold its lightweight aluminum frame to reveal a handy 24-watt solar panel charger, perfectly angled to soak up the sun while you cook, eat, or relax atop its waterproof 600D table surface. Below, find a surprising amount of storage options like bungee exterior netting, interior mesh pockets, and dual zippered bags to keep essentials accessible yet secure. When it's time to move, the entire 1.8 kilogram table packs down easily into your bag to trek onward. Consolidating capabilities into one clever carrier, the ECOeshiner solar table maximizes function while minimizing weight. Maximize organization and minimize clutter with the versatile Goodtimes Foldable Utility Box series. These rugged pop-up bins tackle duty as storage in the garage, totes for road trips, and even double as impromptu seating around the campfire. Water-resistant and able to bear loads up to 30 kilogram, Goodtimes boxes organize gear securely. Integrated handles make for easy transport, while collapsible mesh sides roll up or down depending on need. Whether keeping the car organized or wrangling outdoor cooking supplies, Goodtimes utility boxes deliver maximum function in a minimalist, portable package. Say goodbye to improvising with sweatshirts. The ergonomically designed Cykapu CA01 pillow lets you sleep soundly whether car camping or catching 40 winks in an airport terminal. Crafted from premium memory foam to cradle neck and shoulders and aligned support, its gentle warmth adapts to any sleep position. An ice-cool ventilated cover wicks moisture and regulates temperature for cloud-like comfort. The clever strap fits varied chair widths, while rounded corners eliminate pressure points that disrupt quality rest. Wherever your day takes you, make comfort a priority with the portable Cykapu CA01 foam pillow. This may look like a simple paracord accessory, but hidden inside, it secretly contains over 13 handy tools to empower you through wilderness challenges or everyday fixes. Just pop the clever magnetic side buckle to reveal devices like a folding knife, mini saw, wrench, and bottle opener ready for action. There's even a micro flashlight to illuminate maps or dark paths. Slide open the storage compartment to stow helpful items like medicine, tinder, or a mini sewing kit. At a feather light 3 ounces, it's easy to keep the versatile Paracord survival bracelet ready on your wrist for whenever you need a little extra assistance making outdoor adventures easier. Part functional tool, part wearable art, the alien titanium pendant provides a slimmed-down survival kit elegantly disguised as bold jewelry. Its precision machined body pulls triple duty as a handy open-pry digging tool in a slim enough profile to wear daily. Continuing the utilitarian theme, the alien also packs an emergency glass breaker and attaches easily to keys or packs via a carabiner. When you return from roughing it, quickly disassemble it for cleaning or simply to enjoy its unique mechanical artistry. Hardy titanium construction ensures the alien withstands adventures as well as accessories ensembles. Let its exotic styling spark conversations while its handy toolbox of features gets you out of a pinch. Tired of tiresome manual inflation? Meet the electric revolution for paddleboards. The oak and iron wave pump. Simply connect this battery-powered wonder to your car's 12V outlet and watch it blast air into PFDs, boards, and more with ease. Dual motors deliver a blazing fast 6.5-minute full inflation time. The active cooling system prevents overheating so you can pump up to 3 boards in a row, perfect when the whole family wants to hit the water. An auto shutoff ensures perfect pressure. Weatherproof carrying case included. The oak and iron wave brings next-level convenience to aquatic adventures. Are frigid fingers cramping your winter fun? Slip them into the heated hand muff and feel nearly instant warmth in just 3 seconds. Tuck in your phone too so cold won't zap your battery. Breathable and flexible, wear it around your neck, over your shoulder, or around your waist while skiing, ice fishing, or simply commuting. Reflective accents keep you visible after dark while adjustable straps ensure the perfect fit. Waterproof and battery-powered, this winter wonder brings quick comfort to any cold weather activity. Tired of coordinating group camp meals? Simplify solo outdoor cooking with the compact, versatile MeTime barbecue grill. This all-in-one unit lets you barbecue, fry, boil, braise, simmer, or smoke. Perfect for whipping up everything from breakfast to dinner. The split grill means you can even grill your burger while heating soup at the same time. Durable stainless steel contains mess while cooking open flame-free. When you're done, cool it fast by adding water to the vented base. MeTime handles all your open-air cooking needs in one compact portable package. The Tentsile Safari Stingray is an ultra-durable hammock tent that can be safely set up in the trees. It can accommodate up to 3 people with a spacious communal area beneath it. The tent is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions all year round with its rigid poles and quadruple reinforced stitching. The tent provides unfettered views of the forest and can be zipped closed to protect against insects or harsh weather. The breathable, cross-vented interior ensures that sleepers stay comfortably cool. The skin-friendly canvas fabric provides a comfortable sleep, and the setup takes as little as 10 minutes. The Tentsile Safari Stingray is perfect for lengthy overland adventures or as your personal wilderness abode for entire seasons. It is the ultimate way to experience arboreal camping. There you have it, friends. Our breakdown of the latest must-have camping gear to bring serious upgrades to your next adventure. These innovative camping gadgets are total game changers when it comes to comfort and ease while enjoying the great outdoors. With clever portable designs and smart functional features, these picks make roughing it feels downright luxurious. Just imagine the memories you'll make camping without any gear frustrations. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date on more game-changing gear picks. And let us know in the comments which product you're most excited to test on your next camping adventure.